guys. So I'm hearing some really weird noise from these houses over here. I'm actually getting so scared. There's some random noises. Nobody's over there. Look, you hear that? This is actually getting scary. And I'm not lying. I don't know these houses. I don't know these people. There's cars behind me, but the light is covering it. Jimmy, what's under here? Okay, you're scaring me. I just saw my neighbor. I know. I don't feel safe. Let's go.
Why me? You need my keys, girl.
Where's the keys? Okay. So, y'all can hear. Oh, I see someone over there. But he's not doing it. Look at those. There's no more cars. Yes, I hope none of the cars going to. Let's go! So, I'm actually getting super scared right now. It's like a horror movie, but it's just short. I couldn't go in my bike because it doesn't work. When I try to move it, it just like moves the handle. So, I'm like so scared. Look at that shadow. Look at that shadow. The shadow's me. Who else is here? I'm not looking back. That's scary. What do you mean?
Puppy!
Huh? What happened? I thought it was somebody else. What happened? Is it spicy? So there's this kid who lives over here. One time I came, there's this kid that lives here. We were going to get the mailbox. So, yeah. We went to go get the mailbox. So we went to go get the mailbox. And then,
What are you doing?
checking. So yeah. What number are we?
2111.
2111. Oh, 20. That's 11. Oh, our cat pictures.
What, 21?
11.
This is 11.
Is
This is mom's. This is dad's. No, this is mom's too.
here? Wow. There's some things in here. Here, put these in the back too. I'm so sorry, guys. Oh,
Why are you recording?
because I need to.
For what?
It's nothing. Just don't worry about it. Here.
Isn't there any keys?
I don't know. I can't see. I'm short. Like I said.
No, there's no keys.
There's no here. Sure, there's something here. Where's that? Oh yeah, you're right. Okay, let's go. I've been walking.
We've been walking for 10 years right now.
You've been on your bike. Look at him. He's been walking on his bike, and he's been doing his. The car is suspicious. So suspicious. He got kids. What happened?
Where are they?
Right there.
I almost forgot this.
Game out. If you did, you're cooked.
Oh, what?
Because there's a black cat over there, just like our cat. Hello? Come here, baby. I'm so short. I'm so short.
Yeah, she's so short, guys.
Y'all seen that video that's like, I'm so short, I'm so tired of being short. Just be tall. You're right. Dun, 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 dun. It's like that. Let's go. We don't have all day here. It's almost night.
Guys, leave a like if my little sister's cringe. Leave a comment if you're not.
I'm not cringe. I'm not cringe. I only made 2 shorts. Oh my god. What? Wait, what?
Someone said they're gonna leave their dog to pay for.
Who?
I don't know, but they said in 10 seconds.
I'm wearing sandals and I see a car, Damon.
Honey, what are you doing?
I don't know. I'm going to the sidewalk.
I almost hit you.
What?
I almost hit you.
I know. This is so scary right now.
Honey, we only got 3, 2, 1.
I can't run.
I'm not kidding you.
Look at that. That's what we were in. That's what we were just. Where are you going? Ew, what is that? What's that bottle?
Give me.
Don't pour,
Move.
don't pour it on me. Did it fall over here?
Go inside. Come on.
Okay. I thought there was like something to like go under. But no. I'm literally wearing the same pants that Piper used to wear. I'm getting sunned right now. And I forgot to bring my hat.
Guys, we've been here for 2 years.
No, we haven't. We've been here for 1 hour.
No, it's been 2 years. That's
You
what
wouldn't
I
been.
felt like.
You would have been 14 years old and I would have been 10.
You did your math wrong.
No, I didn't. Then how old
This
would you
year?
be?
And last year.
How old would you be?
When?
In 2 years. In 2 years.
But I'm talking about this year and last
That's
year.
what I just said, bro.
I've been doing this for 2 years now.
No, you haven't.
Yes, I have.
No, you
I
haven't.
did it last year.
Did what last year?
Came over here.
And something's wrong with your bike. Don't be mad at us that you're in a cage. You're in a cage. Let's go. So, yeah. What is going on?
I didn't go.
Okay, I am.
I'm gonna be behind you.
Oh my god, I hate this. Like, what's the sun right behind me, bro? Hold on! I'm tired. Look, that guy, this house has a bike. I'm gonna upload this. Demon! It's been 10 minutes and 31 seconds that we've been here. So you can't be talking. Clock
When you
it.
started recording. That's how long you have been recording.
I know that's the same thing that we did over there.
No, we haven't.
Yes, it had. Demon,
What?
I feel like we're forgetting something.
Like what?
Like,
Monkey.
no monkeys are there. I literally hear you doing it. I just saw it. Demon, look out.
Oh no.
There's a car coming. And
What do you think that we're missing?
I don't know. I just feel like I'm missing something.
Your chips?
No.
No, because I forgot your chips are back there.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Demon.
I took everything out.
Demon!
I'm not gonna.
Serious?
Yeah.
My chips? Serious? My talkies?
Huh?
My talkies? Oh, okay. Look, I left them at home. I don't know what I'm missing. Wait! What are you doing? You don't do anything. They don't do anything.
Dude. No, I scared them.
If they saw me, they wouldn't chase me.
I'm not even trying to hit the dog.
It's just stay there in the rest of the day. So cool.
Oh, so close.
So close as what?
Hitting the thing. The stop sign.
Oh, I hit it.
There go.
Yeah, let's go. Okay, so
I feel like we're getting followed. No, I'm just joking.
that's what I'm thinking.
What?
I'm literally feeling the thing that's following us. Yeah, I feel like something's following us. You heard that voice, right? I heard something like that. Oh, should we ask that for ice cream? I feel like the ice cream truck is coming.
It is.
Oh my god, stop! Stop trying to hit me!
I'm not. Man, just for that, I'm trying to hit you now.
I'm telling mom and dad.
Oh, you're going on someone's property?
I'm not.
That's someone else's property.
Yeah?
That's illegal.
No, it's not.
I'm calling the police.
Call the police on me and I'll tell mom and dad. Damon! Ask Theo if you can get that chair over there. There's a chair.
No. Steady.
There was a bird. You literally threw your bag.
Yeah.